Hi, my name's Logan with Mathers Electric, and I'm here today to go over the walkthrough of this Generac generator with you. First things first, this diagnostic light on the side has three options: green, yellow, and red. We would like to see a green light. Yellow is indication you were due for maintenance, and red is indication you have received a fault. At that point in time, there are two locks on either side of the unit. Once they're unlocked, the lid will open. At that point, this right here is the main breaker of the generator. It needs to be in the on position for this generator to power your home. From there, directly under it is the controller to the unit. This has the three main operation buttons of the unit: auto, manual, and off. If you lift up the front panel, it will allow you to access the engine and the stator and rotor. From there, everything orange has to do with oil. Oil fill, oil drain, oil fill, oil drain, dipstick, and oil filter. At that point, this unit, straight from the factory, has break-in oil in it. That break-in oil is limited to a small amount of runtime. That is 24 hours of runtime. Depending on your use of this generator between now and your first annual service, that potentially could last you. But we do rely on you to let us know if that break-in oil needs to be changed before your first annual service. At that point, I will familiarize you with the two auxiliary switches on the unit. There is one switch on the unit right under the controller directly. And the second auxiliary switch is on the back side of the unit that is visible when the lid is closed. Realistically, we want to keep both of those switches on. But if they do get toggled off, it will throw a red light on the side of your generator. There will be a 2800 code associated with that auxiliary switch. It's also going to tell you auxiliary switch shut down. At that point in time, you know to check your switches. You are going to check both switches, make sure they're in the upright position, and then clear the code on the unit. What the controller is going to prompt you is to press off, then enter to clear alarm, and then it's going to tell you to push auto to restart in automatic mode. At that point in time, you have reset the code and your generator is in automatic mode. At that point, we can step right on over here to the transfer switch, and I can show you how to manually transfer this transfer switch. Before we get into the transfer switch, I will show you that this right here is surge protection. Everything on your home as we speak is surge protected, on and off generator power. From there, as heavily labeled, this is an emergency e-stop button. Realistically, this is for first responders. If they come to your home and need to kill power, they're going to pull your meter. Well, once they pull your meter, that generator is going to sense a loss of power and crank up where this meter left off. This allows first responders to quickly disengage the generator to allow them to get back to their job. From there, this is your transfer switch. The procedure I'll be speaking to you next about is how to manually transfer your transfer switch. Keep in mind this transfer switch is fully automated, and when we come out here annually, we test said functions. But in the circumstance that this automatic transfer switch does not fully automate, there is a procedure to manually transfer it.